Welcome to Science with Hannah. Today we're going to learn about gravity and air resistance. Sometimes I wonder why I can't fly for real, even though I'm wearing my Supergirl costume and outfit. Gravity pulls us towards the ground and makes us stick to the ground. And watch. Stand back, everybody. Gravity is a force that pulls objects towards each other. The more massive the objects, the stronger it pulls other objects towards itself. The Earth is really, really massive, and that's why it pulls other things to itself.
With a lot of force, doesn't it? Which is why you can't fly, unfortunately, huh?
Here I have two soda bottles that are the same size, and they both are the same density.
Right? Yeah, they're the same density because they're both empty, right? They're both just made out of plastic. Okay. All right.
And which soda bottle do you think will drop first?
We'll hit the ground first? I don't know. Let's see. What happened?
Both of them at the same time. Well, I'm going to fill up this bottle with water.
Okay.
I'm going to put a little food coloring in here just so that you can see it.
Okay. Perfect. That's good. Okay.
Now, one of the bottles we filled with water. Which one do you think will drop now?
Which one's going to hit the floor first?
Yes.
Well, let's find out. What happened?
Both at the same time.
Even though one was heavier than the other, they hit the floor at the same time?
Mm-hmm.
Interesting. Okay. We have a really heavy soccer ball and a really light ball. Okay, let's see which one drops first.
Let's drop now.
Okay, ready, set, go. That's right. They fell at the same rate, didn't they?
Mm-hmm.
That's because they don't fall at a different rate because of how big and heavy they are. They fall because of how big and heavy the Earth is. Now, though, let's change things up a little bit. Okay, now we have two pieces of paper. And, Hannah, what I'd like you to do is crumble one of the pieces of paper up into a little ball. Can you do that for me, please? It's all crumbled up. Okay, so these two objects, they should fall at the same rate, right? Right? Because objects accelerate towards Earth at the same rate. So let's see which one hits the ground first, the crumbled up piece of paper or the flat piece of paper. Wow. Okay, go. Perfect. Which one hits the ground first? The crumbled up or the flat? That's right. But wait a second. I thought they were supposed to fall at the same rate. Alright, the reason that the piece of paper fell slower to the Earth than the crumbled up piece of paper did is that the piece of paper had air resistance pushing back up on it. Okay, so there's air pushing up on this flat piece of paper, and there was more surface area for the air to push on with the flat piece of paper than the small one. So even though there was air pushing up on it, there wasn't as much place or much room because it was all crumbled up. Not as much surface area. So there's plenty of surface area to catch that air as it's going down. So even though the force of gravity acting down caused it to accelerate due to gravity towards the Earth at the same rate, the flat piece of paper had air pushing up on it more, and so that slowed it down. So force down was the same, okay, and the acceleration, which just means speeding up, acceleration to the earth was the same going down, but the air slowed it down because of air resistance.
Thank you for watching Science with Hannah.